It is just beautiful, nice and wonderful. You know what happened? This morning I want to make you a simple Jamaican porridge. Basically gonna be cornmeal, oats and peanut, and I know you guys will love this. So please subscribe, leave a comments below. Thank you so much for tuning into the show. We got a lot more recipe and a lot more ideas and a lot more things will be coming out for the fans. And don't go anywhere, stay right there. Alright, easy one. So basically guys, as I can see, I'm now gonna show you exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm going to pour some coconut milk inside of my blender. I'm using a tin one. So this is what I'm doing at the moment. I'm gonna use probably about half can of the coconut milk. Then what I'm gonna do next, I'm going to pour some oats inside of it like this. Nice one. I got a little bit of raw peanut left. I'm gonna just pop it straight inside of it like this. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of cornmeal inside of the Ninja blender. Then I'm gonna put some whole milk. A little bit of whole milk, not too much. Cover it now. And blend this probably about 4 to 5 seconds, alright guys? Nice and lovely. So just finished blend it. Now I'm going to show you how you can make your porridge at home. Alright guys, enjoy the recipe. Combination in the Saturday morning. Nice and lovely. So basically I have roughly about 4 cups of water inside of this medium sized pot. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my ingredients which are just blended straight inside of it like this. As you can see exactly what's going on right here. So what we want to do, we want to get it really thick up. And that's what's gonna happen. Alright, but what you can also do guys, to be honest, you know, inside of the blender you can just simply put a little bit of milk and just rinse it out and pour it also inside of the pot. See, this time I'm using my whisk. That's the fans that you can see exactly what's going on. Nice one. Why are you awake? Yeah. Nice and lovely. So you're getting really thick. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn on my stove to about 1 because I'm using electric oven. Keep whisking it. You can see it's getting really thick up. Nice one. So we just need that to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. After it cook, then we will add some ingredients towards it and get it sweetened up. Alright guys, enjoy the recipe. As I said, it's gonna be a really amazing recipe in the Saturday morning. Nice and lovely guys, as you can see exactly what's taking place right there. Look at that. See that? This is ready. What we're going to do is this. So we're gonna put a pinch of vanilla. Alright, let's go into business. Cinnamon is a must. Pinch of cinnamon. Just a little pinch, not too much. And we're gonna put some mixed spice. I love my spices, man. Then we have nutmeg egg, the real Jamaican nutmeg egg. Grated one, ½ teaspoon. Then we're gonna put some salt. I'm using sea salt, which is more healthy. Then we're going to give it a lovely stir like this. Don't shy, mix him up, getting everything inside of it. Then we're gonna use some sweet condensed milk, sweeten and taste as it goes along. That's exactly what I'm talking about right here. You see that? Look at that. I'm gonna just simple scrape up my condensed can because I'm using roughly about quarter tins of sweet condensed milk just to sweeten it and getting that nice lovely flavor inside of it. Alright guys. Really nice. As you can see, come out lovely and nice. Saturday morning porridge is an amazing recipe. Alright, what we're going to do as we reach so far with it, let's go into business. Taste it. Alright. Could do a little bit more salt. The sweetness is perfect because I don't like it when it's too sweet. A little bit more salt, a little more vanilla, also a pinch more of the nutmeg. All of these spices is really good for you guys. Nice one. So basically we're just gonna be leaving this for roughly about probably about 5 to 6 more minutes. Then we're going to share it out. Alright guys, so we can move the camera and leave that for about 5 to 6 more minutes and we will share it out after. Nice and lovely. So basically as you can see, this is a porridge which we're going to be pouring out now, and we will doing it like a thing like this. Look at this guys. Ah, amazing. I can't believe this is amazing porridge. Just look at it. Really fantastic and nice. As you can see, that looking lovely and nice. Honestly, it is an amazing recipe. I want to say thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. We got a lot more recipe, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things. As I say, while you awake, this is what you need to make in the morning. Alright guys, this is a real Jamaican cornmeal porridge on a Saturday morning for your breakfast. So don't go nowhere, stay tuned, watch this one and make it at home. And I will see you next time. And this is from Chef Ricardo and the team. Stay tuned. Bye bye.